But for real, call me back, man. I want to talk to your ass, nigga.
Worldwide, I'm a young nigga. Stressed all week, never thought I would deliver. The cold game close, all my niggas gon' shiver. I'm a motherfucking king to the bitch when I'm with her. Mama's boy, I'm a mama's boy. Been hiding the names, no summer boy. So close, can't you smell the aroma, boy? I play along, but I really ain't that kind of boy, yeah. I'm the type of kid that makes you think about your life. Type of kid to take your wife. Give no fuck, she'll take my pipe, yeah. Cosign, fuck a cosign. All gays, nigga, I'm the alumni. I'm a weird ass kid, wear tight ass pants with a pink ass shirt and a bow tie. Got dreams, hit a be up in Osaka. Talk straight shit, I'm the light skinned rocker. Rebel, I see you find a bad thing, I can't Carolina. Keep a straight face with a knife to my collar. Me the Spanish bitch, said she like Americana. Hear that you a good girl, but I know you wanna. See, I got fucked up, that's weird nigga with the plus. I'm the ghost, see me eating with a bummer. Soft ass nigga with the plans being said. I ain't all bad, just reds from the head. Still don't fuck with my famo. I cut your face, take your Lambo and run. Thought you knew that. Thought you knew that. Thought you knew that. I thought you knew that. Thought you knew. Thought you knew. Thought you knew. Yeah. Thought you. Yeah. I got a couple things to say to the niggas that are this for the day. I switch fast, don't test my way. I'ma put you on blast for the shit you play. Been friends like so long. Meet a girl, then you act like a waste man. Instagram is a killer. Open up your eyes, got a fake ass hoe. That's words from the wise.